So that's it, pretty much. I paid $500 for 1,000 board feet, 3,000 linear feet. Clear molding like this at Home Depot goes for about $2, a little over $2 a linear foot. I paid about 18 cents a linear foot. When I'm done, I'll list some of this on Kijiji.ca, a local site here, for $1.50 a foot, which would be almost $1 off Home Depot's. And the 712 feet here will get back about $1,000 on the 500. And I still have a big pile of wood out there to play with. So it's just got some knots in it. I'll sell that a little bit cheaper. Some of it will go for $1 a foot or 50 cents a foot for really bad knotty wood. I've had a lot of good response from earlier ads I placed. You can see these have knots in it, but it's not too bad. A lot of people actually don't mind the knots at all. That one has some pretty big knots in it. But that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you later.